What's up, guys? My name's Hunter. I'm a landscape photographer based in South Central Utah, just outside of Capitol Reef National Park. We're in one of my favorite places in the world right now, which is literally about 5 miles from my house, just outside of Capitol Reef. And yeah, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of my home, and what a perfect day to be doing this. Freaking dumping snow right now. I don't know if I've seen it snow like this all year, and it's April 3rd right now. So it's kind of awesome. So yeah, go hike around, show you guys some sweet scenes, and yeah, that's it. This is a pretty sweet view right here. Oh, snowflake in the eye. I need to start hiking more apparently. But clouds are starting to break up and it's looking really good. Check it. On cloudy days like this where it's just even light and no direct light, nothing like too exciting happening in that regard, I find using telephoto lens to be the optimal tool for these kind of days, and really focusing on really small aspects of the landscape where it's more about the texture or shapes or form than it is about quality of light. I'll probably end up throwing some images at the end of the video so you can take a look, or check out my website and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right. Well, just got back to the truck and dense fog is rolling in. Sunset has came and gone. Nothing happened as I suspected. I'm gonna throw up the drone really fast though and see if we can get just a quick little goodbye video.